Okay, now that's all done. Now this is where a lot of people skip this very important option, because this should not be optional. This should be absolutely compulsory, because this is what my call to action I want to put up. So you got two fields to put in. Call to action, I can put in learn more. You only got 10 characters out of for this. Or if you're selling something, you can put in buy now, or you can put in sign up, or whatever that call to action may be. It's a very low hanging fruit. I'm not asking them for a commitment. All I'm saying is, I don't want to sell anything right now. And the headline, so I can put in Google Ads training. Now, if you go over, this is going to turn into red. That means you can't have that. You can put something like Google Ads or video ads or whatever I want my headings to be. In fact, if I can put in learn video ads. So that's a good call to headline. And I've got my character limit used up as well.